Hi guys, welcome to Techie. Today we are going to see about deploying Django application on IIS. Uh, so let's start with the localhost application, first application, how to run locally. To get started, as usual, we will go to Django tutorial point. So I open that link. So let's directly go to creating a project. So for to create the project, this is the command Django admin start project, my project. So let's create one folder. So for folder name, let's give us Django app first app first app. Okay, okay. And as a best practice, we will create a one virtual environment. I'm opening my command prompt as administrator. So I opened. Uh, I think font is not visible. I'll just increase my font size. Uh, Font and 28. Yeah, I think it's fine. So I'm changing the directory where we created the folder. To create the virtual environment, what is the command? Python -n -v Django app Django first app -v. You can give any name here. I'm giving Django first app. It's creating virtual environment for us. Let's wait. So, meanwhile, so to run this command Django admin start project, my project. So this Django admin is available in Django package. We need to install that Django project, Django package in our virtual environment. So it's created, the virtual environment is created. Let's activate Django virtual environment scripts activate.bat. So we have activated. Now we will install that Django. So it's installing that necessary packages for Django. Let's wait. It will hardly take another 10 seconds, guys. I think it got installed. So now we can run this command directly. So let's copy this command. Django admin start project, my project. So it created my project my project in it. See, see this my project is created. Let's see the folder structure and understand that the folder structure file open folder. Uh, so it's in tech videos, Django first app, my project. Okay, I opened this folder. This manage that py is the like Django admin commands we can run with this manage.py, and settings.py includes your database connections, database connection details, and what all other apps middlewares to be included. Uh, and WSGI is a web server gateway interface. It acts as a returns application Django application object whenever you want to run on some IIS or any other hosting platform. It returns a Django application object. Uh, so now let's straight away run this Django app. To run this, Python manage.py. First, we need to change the directory to my project. So I changed Python manage.py run server. So it started, the application is started on 8000 port. If I test this, whether it is working or not, yeah, it's successfully working. So now let's host this application on IIS. So I'm opening IIS. So sites, create a new site, add website, Django, first tab. So I'm giving path of that my project. So where it is downloads, tech videos, Django first tab, my project. So okay, click OK, and you can give any port. For now, I am giving 5032. Click OK. It's created. If we go to the Django first tab, you need to go to handler mappings. In handler mappings, you need to create add module mapping. Request path is star. Any request you want to handler mapping is basically like any request comes to IAS. Uh, it is the way to send that request to which application it need to send. So on 5032, anything, any request, it comes. I want to use FastCGI module here. I have explained it regarding FastCGI module in my earlier video. You can check out that video. And executable, FastCGI executable. We need to create one WFastCGI here. Uh, we need to first install WFastCGI, pip install WFastCGI. So it's got installed. After installing, we need to get the path of WFastCGI. You can get the path by using WFastCGI enable command. So this is the path. You copy that path and paste in executable path. You can give any name, Django, first tab, and left. So request requisition is uncheck this box and click OK. Click OK. Click yes. That's it. Now go to main IS. Here you need to give FastCGI settings. Uh, FastCGI settings basically like uh, you need to define some of the environment variables. I will show that which are the environment variables. Where is the your Python path? Where is your path of your application? And which is the WHA handler? And which is the like this WHA dot get WHA application. It gets the Django application path from this Python path basically. And what is your settings, default settings, what database connections, what are all these settings, installed apps, it will be defined in your settings. So let's define these environment variables. As I said, you need to go to main IIS site and click on FastCGI settings. Whatever we created that handler, it got here. Click on that. Click on environment variables. Click on collections. Click on add. Mm, just a minute. Sorry, sorry. So click on. So what variables we seen? First one is Python path. Python path. I have defined. What is the path? This is the path. So copy paste. And next variable is WHA handler. So add it. Uh, So copy this Django code dot WHA gateway WHA application, copy it and click on add again Django settings module. So here settings is present in my project dot settings. So you need to give my project uh, name, my project dot settings. So click on OK and click on OK. Now I think the setup has finished. Let's browse this application. So local now it should run through IIS on port 5032. But I encountered this error. What is this error? I think I explained in my previous video again in how to host Flask API on IIS. Same error we encountered. Just it is a permission issue. You can go detailed in that video. And just going through the steps, same steps. So click on properties and security. And click on edit. Click on add. Click on iUser. Check names. Another one is IES underscore iUser. Mm, iUsers, I think. Sorry, I users, IS and so it got to click OK and click on IAS I users full control and click on I user. This is also full control. Click on apply. Click on OK. Click on OK. Oh, sorry. We need to give full folder. This full folder permissions we need to give. Sorry. Same steps again. I am repeating. Security, edit, add, I user, check names, IES underscore I users, check names. Click OK. Uh, give full permission. Give full permissions again over here. Click apply. So it's giving permission to all the files in the virtual environment as well as the project folder. So it's given permission. Now again, let's check whether this app is opening. Yeah, this app is successfully running. And let's say some other URLs defined in our project, like there is a path defined admin slash. So admin is defaultly installed by Django project, where you can see what all tables present in your database. It gives in your admin interface where you can edit or view the data from the admin interface. So let's open that admin interface. If I open admin, yeah, it's opened, but the view is here we are not seeing the CSS styles, everything. So by default, these are, when you host on IIS, it will not serve the static files like CSS, images. To avoid these problems, you need to first define a static root folder, same static slash. So after defining, you need to run a command python manage.py collect static. What it will does is it will create a new folder. What all static files present in your project, it will get all the static files and put in the static folder. So here 126 static files copied to this whatever we defined that path. So let's see static folder whether it is created or not. Yeah, I think it's like admin all the JS, CSS images all that I've created. Now let's see whether still we are getting or not. So still we are not getting this static. So how to encounter this problem? So let's search how to like otherwise static files. Just type static files Django. So I have clicked how to manage static files. So they are telling static files, and this is the like to you need to add the static path to URLs. So this is the code you need to add in URLs. If I go, I saved. Let's see again whether it is working or not. So yeah, static is not defined. Oh, okay, sorry. We need to import that static and settings. Okay. So let's see now. Yeah, we have successfully got CSS over here. So that is one way, but in documentation, they are not suggesting in production like this way of serving. Let's see another method without adding to URL. You can create a virtual directory also. Virtual directory, I mean, like in your IIS itself, you can create a virtual directory. Add virtual directory. Path alias is whenever slash static comes, it will serve the from virtual directory. So download tech videos, Django app, my project, static. So all the static files are served from IIS virtual directory. So now let's set whether it is coming or not. Oh, that's not working again. So what is the problem? Still, the static files having handler mapping of Django first step handler. So we need to remove this. Uh, okay, let's now check again. Yeah, we got successfully the CSS back. Okay, I think like we are succeeded, and I just want to show the main part of this framework is we can create a multiple apps in one project. Like for example, uh, uh, in a Flipkart carts app, cart module and user browsing that products app. So there are multiple apps we can create in a single project. It will allows the developers for easier segregation of functionalities. It is easy. Code will be easily readable. So for that, they have provided Django framework. They have provided one app command to create the apps, multiple apps in one project. So creating app lifecycle, we'll go directly to here. How to create Python manager my app. So we can create multiple apps with this command. So I think, okay, sorry, it's not copied. Python manager. Why it is not copying? Copy. Okay. So let's see whether it is created. So my app folder is automatically created. So now let's define some simple view in this my app. First, we need to include this my app in installed apps in settings. So where is settings? In settings. Okay, we included this my app, and let's go to creating views. So for creating views, we can copy this one. Uh, in views, you go to here. So I created a view, uh, and now this allow request we need to URL. We need to map the URL to this view. So how to do this? Go to URL. We need to to add the URL path. Sorry, path. Just we'll define allow. Here there is example from other views how to include from. my app dot views import hello. Okay, sorry. This is functional views, right? From map. That is cloud-based views, functional views we need. So views are imported. So if we define hello in this, we can define views dot home. Hello, I think. Hello, I think. Hello, yes. Hello. Name equal to hello. Okay. So let's test now whether this is working or not. Mm. So we given hello. What it should return? Welcome to my app. Yeah, we got this. Welcome to my app. I think we successfully set up Django first application on IIS, and we have even seen how to serve static files from virtual directory in IIS, and we have created another app in the Django project, and we have seen how to route URL to that view also. To that specific view. Uh, Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Please. Thank you.